Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the brightness in Capcut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects, or if you want to start a new one. If you want to start a new one, click on that plus icon, and now you can select from your gallery that video that you would like to edit. I'm going to use this one, and now you have to click on the edit option, which is in the bottom of the screen, the first option. Scroll a little bit and you should see the filters option. Click on it, and the second option is adjust, and the second option here, the brightness. So you can see that you can change the brightness of your videos, but of course you can use this option for images as well. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.